here in Indio, California, Fantasy Springs Casino, catching up with undefeated featherweight fighter Joet Gonzalez, 19-0 with 11 KOs. Joet, you took care of business tonight, stopping your opponent in the 5th round TKO victory. Talk to us about your victorious win tonight.
I mean, I'm happy with my performance. I got the 5th round TKO. I feel really good. The game plan was pretty much just stay smart, stay calm and relax, and that's what we did, and we got the job done.
A Filipino fighter, Rolando Magbanua, you probably didn't know much about him since most of his fights were fought in the Philippines. He fought a couple of times in Mexico. How do you prepare for a fighter that you don't really know much about?
I just pretty much just train hard. Just train hard, have good sparring, stay focused, and always keep my guard up and always be ready for anything. Either if he's ready to brawl, if he's ready to box. And that's what we did, and that's how we got the victory tonight.
Rolando Magbanua, he was being trained. He was being trained here in India by Marcus Caballero, one of the trainers you pretty much know well, due to the fact that his son Randy Caballero, the former champ, you guys pretty much grew up in the amateurs. Did he have a good strategy against you for this fight?
Not at all. I think his strategy was a little dirty. He held a lot every time I hit him. And he would come in with his head. I mean, I got a lot of headbutts. People think these are punches, but no, it was just constantly hitting me with his head. And the referee gave him a lot of chances. The referee should have taken points away maybe a round or two before. But I knew he was going to be tough and take a punch and smart how to survive. Because I got word he was training out here since January, so he had at least a little over 2 months to prepare for me. And no matter what, I still got the job done, and I came out victorious.
Why is it that all this new wave of Filipino fighters, for some reason, they're tough fighters to beat?
I mean, yeah, all these Filipino fighters, they've been making kind of some noise against Golden Boy prospects and contenders.
Like Ray Perez when he defeated Joet Gonzalez, another one of your friends.
Yeah, and then today I just like, I told myself, not me. I'm gonna put an end to that tonight. And this win was for all the Golden Boy contenders and fighters that eventually came short against Filipinos. I stopped that today, and that's it, no more.
Walk us through the 5th round, the finishing touches that you put, stopping Rolando Magbanua, that combination and that uppercut that you landed in the 5th round.
The 5th round, I just started walking him down, keep my guard up, because I didn't want to get too careless. I started getting my jabs and my straight shots from a distance. And I got in close, I snuck in a good uppercut on the chin, and I followed with the left hook on the chin. He went down, he got up like around 7, 8. Referee told him to walk to the side, and he looked, I guess to the ref, he looked wobbled, and the referee stopped it.
One of your good friends, Emilio Sanchez, suffered his first loss at the beginning of this evening. Joet, did it affect you knowing that one of your best friends suffered his first loss? It was a vicious knockout loss.
I heard about it. I was in the back. I didn't even see the knockout, but I saw that he lost. And Emilio's a good friend of mine, really good friend. I know his family, I know his brother, and we relate. I mean, obviously my brother and I box, his brother and his box, so it upset me really bad. Emilio, keep your head up, man. You'll come back strong. But I just had to stay focused. I was a little mad, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get this guy for us, because they were from the same team. His opponent had, and his opponent was from the same. They had the same corner as
Marcus
the opponent
Caballero,
I had.
right?
So I had to do something for Emilio, and I got the job done.
I was talking to your dad a few minutes ago, Joet. He's telling me that there are plans for you to have a co-main event fight here in Indio, California. What do you think about that? Are you ready to showcase your skills in front of a live audience on an ESPN network?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm more than ready. I'm ready for the main event, not the co-main event. I mean, I think I'm proving everybody. I'm showing who I am, and I'm making noise. And I think I'm ready for the main event.
Tell the fight fans what you think about the featherweight division overall. Are you ready to take on like a top 5?
The featherweight division right now, it's stacked. We got a lot of good champions, a lot of good contenders, and I'm just ready. I'll fight anybody. I'll fight the best out there at 126. And if I have to fight a contender before I get a world title, I'll do that. I mean, whatever it takes. Whoever's in my way, I'm coming for the world titles.
Any reason in particular regarding this shirt, Joet? No?
No, I just I'm old school. I like the WWE, the old school wrestlers back in the day, Triple H, Shawn Michaels, Ric Flair, the old school wrestlers, and And I like what it says. Shut up, fat boy. And so me and my brother will be talking some smack to each other, some friendly smack, and we just push each other like that. We're like, oh, you're fat, you're eating too much, or you're too slow, you're too weak hitting the bag. We compete like that, and I just really like the shirt. It's really cool.
Thank you for your time, Joel. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Undefeated featherweight boxer, 19-0 with 11 KOs. He stopped his opponent, Rolando Magbanua, in the 5th round tonight here in Indio, California. Best of luck, Joel. We hope to see you soon.
Thank you, Ozzy.